So yeah. So what is light? So light is a bright form of energy given off by some object. Okay, so light is a bright form of energy. So light cannot be like somewhere. Some object should only give light. So we can take objects like sun, like that. So sun will give light, right? Okay. So light only makes it possible to see. So with the help of light only, everyone is able to see. Okay, so without light, can you able to see me? Can you see me? No. So now let us see sources of light. Okay, so now let us see some sources of light. So sources of light means the objects which give us light. So what are the objects which give us light? Night lamp, sun, stars, torch, fire,
Fire,
and bulb. So these are some
bulb.
main objects which give us light. Okay, so even the phone torch, even that will give light, right? Okay, so next is, why is light so important? Why is light so important? Sunlight keeps us warm. So sunlight only keeps us warm, and sunlight causes weather patterns like summer, winter, spring, like that. Sunlight only causes weather pattern. If sunlight is very bright, we name it as summer. If sunlight is not there, we name it as winter, like that. Okay, so all the plants need sunlight to make oxygen and food. Okay, so all the plants need sunlight to make oxygen and food. Okay, so now we have a small activity. What do you think the people might have been used before the bulbs were invented? So before the bulbs, let's go 1,000 years before, and before the bulbs are invented, what do you think the people might have been used? What do you think? It might be it might be fire, something like that. Yes, right? It might be fire or candles, like that. Yes, right? So nowadays we have the switches. If we just on the switch, the light will come. But that days we need fire for light. Okay, as I told in the fire session before. So now let's just compare. So which one is better, a forest with light or without light? Which one is better? Yeah, a forest with light. So that is only better. We can
Right.
see everything and walk. So a forest with light is better to walk. So the next is compare again. A room with light and a room without light. Which one is better?
Room with light.
Yeah, a room with light is better because we can
Room,
see every
room
object.
with light.
Yeah, super. Because we can see everything and we can walk carefully. If we don't have light, we cannot see anything. Yes, right? So we have different types of light. Like we have bulb, we have tube light, and we have lamp, like that. So let us see how much light will they produce in a room. So tube light will produce the maximum amount of light, and then the bulb, it will produce less amount, and the lamp will be the less, it will be less than the bulb, it will produce less light only. Okay, so even lighthouse will produce light in which ships will reach the land. So during the night time, if the ship wants to reach the land, they cannot see right where is the land. So there'll be the lighthouse. You know what the lighthouse will do? Just a second. So what the lighthouse will do is, imagine this phone as the lighthouse. Okay, so what this phone will do, it will start to rotate everywhere, so that when ship will come, it can see where the ship is coming. Okay, so we reach the land safely because of lighthouse when we travel in ship. Okay, so even all the vehicles will travel safely because of light only. So imagine that you're going in car during the night time. There is no light anywhere. There's no street light also. There's no light in your car. Imagine, is it safe to drive like that if there's no light? No, it's dangerous. Yes, right? There'll be car accident if there's no light. So we need light to travel safely during the night time. So this is how all the vehicles will move if there is light. So ships will reach the lighthouse if there is light, And the aeroplane, even the aeroplane has to go safely in the runway because of light. And the car, as usual, you'll know, right? The car, if there's light only, you can go safely. Okay. So when there's no light, you can use a light from the smartphone, like these. Very easy, right? You can use the light from a smartphone. So who invented light bulb? So who invented light bulb? A person known as Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, a person known as Thomas Alva Edison only invented light bulb. Okay, so yeah. So now let us learn about transparent and opaque objects. Okay, so now let's learn about transparent and opaque objects. So here I have a magnifying glass. This is a transparent object since we can see what is behind this object. Can you see what is behind this? You can see my face, right? See here. You can see what is behind this. So it's a transparent. So now we are going to do something that's so interesting. So we are going to try passing light through this object and we are going to see whether it's passing or not. Okay. So now I kept light here. So see what's happening. Can you see? Can you see the wall behind what's happening? So you can see that the light is passing through this magnifying glass. Yes, right, you can see. It's white in color behind. It's like CD, donut in shape. Okay, so the same. Now let's try passing an opaque object. Opaque object means we don't know what is behind that. It's opaque. So you can see what is behind this? No, you cannot see what is behind this. So see again. What is happening when I keep this? You can see behind there is a shadow. Yes, right? There is a shadow forming. Can you see? There is a shadow. Yes, right? So we know that the light is not passing through this. It's a shadow forming behind it. Okay. So light is not passing through it. So see this. When light is passed through the opaque object, it will form a shadow behind that. What is the shadow? So yeah. So now we try it, right? When an opaque object blocks the light, we can see a dark thing behind that. So that is known as shadow. So a shadow is a dark shape made when something blocks light. Okay. So a shadow is a dark shape made when some object blocks the light. Okay. So to make the shadow, you need a source of light. It can be any source of light. So to make shadow now, I used this torchlight from the phone. Okay, so now you can see again. See this. When I keep this behind, you can see that there's a shadow. Yes, right? Can you see the wall? So yeah, so to make you more clear, imagine this paper as the wall. Okay. So imagine this paper as the wall. To make you more clear about this shadow, I'm gonna hide this paper with a eraser now. Okay. So I'm taking this eraser and I'm gonna hide this with this eraser. So what will happen when you color this paper with the eraser on the top? What will happen when you color this? It will come like this, right? It will come like this. The eraser gap will be in the middle. So same happens with the shadow also. Imagine this as the wall behind and the pencil as the light. This is the object. When you block the light, when you take, there'll be the shadow gap formed. Okay? Easy. So many of you might have been played with shadow. Yes, right? So whenever you go and stand on a ground, there'll be the shadow of your fingers. I know you'll be playing like these. Let me show you a video. So you'll be playing like these, all right? Yes, right? So how this is happening outside? When the sunlight comes and when your hand blocks the sunlight, then a shadow is formed on the ground. Okay, so even now you can see my shadow behind. Yes, right? You can see my shadow. Can you see? This is how a shadow works. Okay, so next is, so we have a small activity. I'm going to call out one person's name and that person should match. So the activity is match the sea animals with their shadows. Okay, so first let me call Monica. So say the first one alone, that fish. Which is the correct shadow of that fish? Yeah, third one. Super. Super. Okay, next let me call Ashwin Aditya. Sorry, Shashwin Aditya. So say the second one. Which one will come? Second one. Which is the correct shadow?
Fourth one.
Yeah, fourth one is the correct shadow.
Gandalf.
Super, super. Okay, one person. So next is Janani. Yeah, Janani. So third one. Which will be the perfect shadow of that? Yeah, it's the last one. It's the last one, right? It's the last one. Okay, so the fourth one, Sarah Triya. So say the fourth one, which will be the correct shadow of that fourth one. Jellyfish, I think it is. So which will be the correct
Fourth
shadow?
one.
So yeah, which will be the correct shadow? Super, first one. Okay, then the last one, who's gonna say me? The last one. Anyone can say the last one. What will be the last one? The correct shadow.
Second.
Super, super.
Second.
Yeah, it is second one. Super, very good. Super. Okay, so now mute your mic. So now we saw about shadows. Did you understand shadows? Okay. So now let us see about reflection. So when you stand in front of the mirror, you can see yourself. Yes, right? So this is a mirror. So when I stand in front of the mirror, I can see myself. How is it possible? How can you see yourself in front of the mirror? So it is because of reflection. So reflection is when light bounces off an object. So when light bounces on this mirror and go, that image will be reflected. Okay, so which is the correct reflection here, the first image or the second one? Which is the correct reflection? First one. First one. So the house one, it's not correct because it's like the same. Reflection means it has to be like upside down. Okay, it has to be upside down. Okay. Okay, so the next is, okay, so riddle. So we have a riddle. Let me see who finds this riddle. I am a colorful object found in the sky when rain comes. Who am I? So it's a colorful object found in the sky. It is found when,
Rainbow.
yeah,
Rainbow.
super, super, super. It's a rainbow.
Rainbow.
Yeah. So have you ever wondered how rainbow is formed? Have you ever thought how rainbow is formed? Let me say you.
It will pass from one sky to another sky.
Yeah. Have you ever wondered how it is formed? Let me say you.
When light
So,
passes to rain, it will make a rainbow.
yeah, so sunlight has 7 colors. Sunlight has 7 colors. So in the image, can you see a triangle glass object like that? In the slide,
Yes.
can you see? That is known as prism. So when you leave the sunlight pass through it, that prism will divide the sunlight into 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, so that prism will divide the sunlight into 7 colors. The same will happen. So here the water drop is looking like the prism, right? But it's a little bit curved. Yes, right, but it's looking like a prism. So when you let the sunlight pass through that water drop, the water drop, how it will do, it will also divide the sunlight into 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So that's how a rainbow is formed. Okay, so when sunlight passes through the water drop, when it reflects the water drop, a rainbow is formed. Okay, understood? So this is how a rainbow is formed. So now let us see some interesting facts on light. Humans emit light. They are 1000 times weaker than the normal light. So they are saying even humans give out light, but they are 1000 times weaker than the normal light which we see here. Okay. So light travels very, very fast. 3 lakh kilometers per second. So light travels 3 lakh kilometers in just one snap, in just second, in just 1 second. Okay. The next is, the main source of light on the earth is the sun. So sun is the main source of light. Okay. Sunlight has 7 colors. As I told, Sunlight has 7 colors. With the help of that only the rainbow is formed. Okay. So sunlight has 7 colors. So during the rainy days, have you ever wondered why lightning comes faster than thunder? Because light travels faster than sound. Okay. Lightning comes first because light travels faster than sound. Okay. It's very fast. Okay. So do you think moon will give light? Do you think moon will give light? No. No, moon will not give light. Okay, moon will not give light. It is very bright because of the sun's reflection. Okay, moon is just a rock. It's a circular rock. It doesn't give light. Okay, it's because of the sun's reflection. Okay, moon shines because of the reflection of the sun. Okay, interesting, right? Okay, light has no mass. Light has no weight at all. Okay, light has no weight. So now we have a quiz. So let me see who answers these questions fast. Sunlight has dash colors.
Yellow colors.
7 colors.
Yeah, it has 7 colors. Super. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Yeah, super. So those are the 7 colors. So the dash is formed when an opaque object hides the light. So this is an opaque object. When I'm hiding the light, what is formed? Yeah, a shadow is formed. Super. A shadow is formed.
Shadow.
Super, super. So next question. Just a minute. Light travels faster than sound. True or false? Light travels faster.
True.
Yeah, true. Super. It's true. Is this object super, super? Is this object in the given picture opaque or transparent? Is this
Opaque.
Yeah, because light will not pass through it. It's an opaque object. Super. So name any one transparent object. Name any one transparent object.
Glass.
Glass. Magnifying glass.
Any other transparent objects other than glass?
Window.
Yeah, super.
Magnifying glass.
Super, super. So all these are transparent objects since light will pass through them. Light has mass. True or false? Light has weight. True or false?
False.
Yeah, it is false. Light has no
False.
weight.
No.
Yeah, super, super. Light has no weight. Name this. I know everyone knows this. Name this.
Rainbow. Violet. Violet, indigo.
Yeah, super, super,
Violet.
super. It's rainbow. So ships reach the ground because of dash. With the help of what will the ships reach the
Lighthouse.
ground?
Lighthouse.
Lighthouse. Lighthouse.
Yeah, lighthouse. Super, lighthouse. So yeah, the same. Lighthouse will be like this. It will start giving light and it will rotate all over the place. Okay. The next is, who invented light bulb? Who invented light bulb? As I told, who invented?
Edison.
Yeah, Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, the person known as Thomas Alva Edison invented
Thomas Alva
Edison. Super, super, super. So the next is, name this story which says about reflection. Everyone knows this story. This story is about reflection. What is the story? There'll be a rabbit. The lion will be eating all the animals. Yeah.
from the water.
Yeah. So it will think that the reflection of water is the another lion.
The lion in the water.
Yeah. Any one person can say. Any one person can say the name.
The rabbit is in the water.
Okay, Monica say. Monica. Okay, okay.
The brilliant rabbit.
Yeah, super, super.
There is
So
one more lion in this.
yeah, so it will think that the lion and the lion's reflection has one more lion, and it will jump into the water to kill, and the lion will be dead. So yeah, Monica, say the title of this story. What is the name of this story?
The lion and the rabbit.
Yeah, the rabbit and the lion.
Reflection. Lion and the rabbit.
Yeah, so this story is about reflection. Okay. So the lion will see its reflection and it will think that there's one more lion in the water and it will jump. Okay. So yeah. So now let's just revise one more time because many people came late only, right? So let us just revise one more time. Okay. So yeah. So what is light? Light is a bright form of energy given by something. It can be a sun, it can be a bulb, like that. Light only helps us to see all the things. Sources of light: stars, sun, night lamp, torches, fire, and bulb. So these are the sources of light. So why light is so important? Sunlight keeps us warm and it causes weather patterns like summer, winter, like that. And it allows the plants to make oxygen and food. So we saw one activity, right? What do you think the people might have used before the bulbs were invented? So people might have been used fire or candles, like that. So which is better? Compare a forest without light and a forest with light. Which is better to see?
With light.
Yeah, with light. And one more thing, a room with light and without light. Which is better to see?
With light. Room with light.
Yeah, super. So we saw about different types of bulbs. Yeah, super. So we saw a tube light and we saw about bulbs. We saw night lamps, like that. And then our ships reached the land because of lighthouse. And all the vehicles travel safely during the night time because of light only. So this is how it will be during the night time. Because of light only we can see everything. If there's no light, we cannot see anything. Okay. So if there's no light, you can use a torch in the phone like this. Okay. So next is, who invented light bulb? A person known as Thomas Alva Edison invented light bulb.
Thomas Albert Edison.
Yeah, super.
Thomas
So now we saw,
Albert
right,
Edison.
transparent object. So we kept a transparent object in front of light. We passed the light through it. See how it is. Can you see the wall behind it? Can you see it? So the light is passing through it. It's not forming a shadow. So next we saw keeping a opaque object. So it's forming a shadow. Can you see? It's forming a shadow behind. Okay. So opaque objects, if the light is passed through them, it will form shadow. So what is a shadow? It's a dark shape. It is formed when some object blocks the light. So when some objects blocks the light, a shadow is formed. Okay. So I know everyone, when there is light, you'll play with these kind of shadows, right? You'll try keeping like these. Everyone will play, right? Yes. So we saw activity about shadows. We saw what is reflection. Reflection is when light bounces off an object. When it goes and bounces, that is known as reflection. So we saw riddle. I am a colorful object found in the sky when rain comes. Who am I?
Rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow. So a rainbow is formed when sunlight passes through the raindrop. So when it passes, the sunlight will divide into 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay. So we saw interesting facts. Humans also emit light. Humans give light, but they are 1,000 times weaker than normal light. Okay. So light travels very, very fast, 3 lakh kilometers per second. Yeah, super. So the main source of light is the sun. Okay.
Sun.
Yeah, sunlight has 7 colors. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So lightning travels faster than thunder. So during the rainy times, you can see that lightning comes first and the thunder comes second because light travels faster than sound. Okay. Moon shines because of the reflection of sun.
Moon will not give us light.
Yeah, moon will not give light. It's just a rock piece. It will not give us light. It is shining because of the sun's reflection only. Okay, and we saw that light has no weight.
Light has no weight.
Yes.
The sun passed the light to moon. The moon is rock. That's only
Yeah.
turns light to earth.
Yeah, super. Yeah, super. So we saw the quiz, right? Sunlight has dash colors. How many colors?
7 colors. 7 colors.
Yeah, 7 colors. Sunlight has 7 colors. The dash is formed when an opaque object hides the light. So when an opaque object hides.
Shadow.
Yeah, super.
Shadow.
Super.
Akka,
So yeah,
when it says the sun, how many colors does the sunlight have? It's supposed to say how many colors does a rainbow have.
yeah. So yeah, light travels faster than sound. Okay, true or false? So light travels faster than sound. True or false?
True.
Yeah,
Yes.
super. True. Okay. Is this object opaque or transparent?
Opaque.
Yeah, opaque. Name any one transparent object.
Light. Glass.
Transparent.
Glass.
Yeah, okay, super. Light has weight. Super.
Glass.
Yeah. Light has weight. True or false?
False.
Yeah, false. Super. So name this. What is this?
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Yeah, okay, super. So ships reach the ground because of dash.
Lighthouse. Lighthouse.
Super.
Lighthouse.
Who invented light bulb? Who invented?
Thomas. Edison.
Yeah,
Edison. Thomas Alva Edison.
yeah. Super. A person known as Thomas Alva Edison invented light bulb. Okay. So name this story. What is the story name?
The lion.
Yeah.
The lion and the rabbit.
Yeah, it can be anything. The lion and the rabbit or the rabbit and the lion. So this story is mainly about reflection. Okay. The lion gets fooled by its own reflection and it jumps into the well. So yeah. So we have come to the end of our session, and if you want to continue the further sessions, then contact to this number 9842006728. Okay.
Hi,
Bye.